da 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 da. The sign of a hammer be my guide. Come on, I'll block. Attack me. Attack me. Come on. Press Alt and left mouse button. Yeah. Now mouse wheel down. Mouse wheel up. And now mouse wheel down and several left clicks. Mouse wheel down, yeah, and then combo. See? It's a weird way to play your sword, but that's the way it goes in this game. Yeah, you constantly press the left mouse button to swing your weapon back and forth. Okay, that's punch. Oh, I'll try the running punch. It looks hilarious. Oh, I also like this map. How do you like my pink armor, bro?
It's so funny.
Are you recording that?
Yeah. Ow.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, half of battle remains. Hey! Hey! No, that's a coming home. Yeah, I think someone is better than us at this game.
Dude, you got sneak attacked by Rekterize. Dude, he totally snuck up on you good.
He cut off my head. Oh, by the way, mouse wheel down from mouse wheel down to like. Oh,
I killed both of you. How awesome is that?
it's bad luck to be me.
It's so funny how I killed both of you.
Oh, wait a second.
Dude, Tim is so good. He does not know that he's good. Are you coming, Andy?
Yeah. I was explaining to Tim the existence of other bots. Yeah. Ouch. Yeah. Your fist. Yeah, just blow my head up with your fist. How could ya? How could you? Okay, I have another weapon, a secret weapon. I'll show you. I'll show all of you.
Oh, wow.
Jimmy, come here. Okay, come here. Okay. Ammo. It says ammo and I can't reach it. Okay, whatever. Because I have boiling pots. Basically, that's probably the only medieval game which had like. Stop! Stop punching me! It's not fair. It's not fair. I said that basically this game is probably the only medieval game which has like which has no horses, but it has grenades, which is kinda crazy.
Okay,
Yes,
who's
me.
ready to die?
Oh, we are. Man, I'm like I only did one kill in this match. Where are you? Where are you? Come on, I don't see you. Stop punching everyone.
I punched Stewie to death.
Where are you? Where are you? I can't find you. Oh, that's hilarious. Wait. Can I press this thing? No. Yeah. Finally.
You only see, oh my god, Timmy got a higher score than you.
Of course. I have the lowest score.
Dude, I bet if Kenny was here, he'd have the highest score of all. Because you love meleeing people.
No. No, Victoria is yours. Suffer, Vicky.
I'm the king.
Oh, by the way, if Kenny still wants to play, you can like buy a 4-pack for $8. And force Kenny to play this game all of his life. No more Call of Duty, no more Left 4 Dead, it's only Chivalry. In the morning, in the night, in the evening, and at the sunset.
Oh, that was awesome. Rekterize was kicking your ass.
Yeah. Well, I hope the game doesn't start us on the same map.
We're fighting in a forest.
Wait, it loaded for you already?
Yeah, it's waiting until you load.
To record?
Yeah, I recorded the entire match.
Great, I did that too. Would be funny to compare. Yeah. It would be even better if my PC loaded that, you know? 2 gigabytes of RAM isn't really enough. Okay, I'm here. And I'll be the Vanny. The game is... Oh,
Dude,
this
I am
map
gonna
is
be the
good.
archer and I'm gonna kick your ass.
Come on, try it.
How does this guy catch a
bloody
rocket and then
fool.
comes back with another rocket? Does not make any sense. Oh, crap!
Rocket? Actually, the slingers, they carry a pouch of rocks with them. And sometimes it's not just rocks, it's like... Ow! You cannot run, but you can hide. No, you can't run, but you can.
Oh
Okay,
my.
ouch! Oh.
Did he kill you? Oh,
Oh.
dang it. Oh, crap.
I am the Highlander. I Highland your fucking head off. Oh. You know what? I think this game is fantastic. It's just so hilarious.
Ooh. Ooh, now he's thinking right.
Hey! Oh, by the way, one thing. I think it's and to change less after you die. You won't keep
What?
doing the same thing all the time.
I don't know.
Oh, I was just writing to Timmy.
Tim is also.
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
Okay, where are you guys?
Oh crap! The very flamboyant Pink Slayer is here.
Yeah.
No!
I am flamboyant.
It's time to duel. The legendary warrior of space.
Tim just said that knight is overpowered. Well, doesn't he use Vanguard or something? Or it's a weird knight skin. He just swings his sword back and forth. Okay. Man at legs.
What? How can he kill?
Okay. Granaten!
Yes,
Yeah.
they're solid, liquid, and gas, dude. That's in science terms.
What?
Oh, Kenny's talking to me about stuff again. Oh my god, Tim is so good.
Guys, I don't believe in science. It really doesn't make any sense. Seriously.
The science of chivalry, it doesn't make sense either.
Well, nothing ever makes sense. If you ask me. Well, if you don't ask me, it's fine too. Okay. Oh, let's reenact the battle from Robin Hood. Oh, really? This is one time attack over and over.
Tim has only played like 10 minutes and he's really good at the game already.
You know why? It's because he skipped the tutorial. I think the tutorial is only confusing us. Hey, wait! I'm trying to smoke you. No! I tried to smoke pot, yeah.
Now, where might the Rekterize be? Ah!
And my flamboyant team circuit. Where are you guys?
Oh, I was too busy kicking Tim's
Where the
ass.
fuck are you? What? Stop, run away! Oh, fucking arms of man. Yeah. What would you do if a huge Russian with a giant
What? How did I die? How did I die? I was clearly running away from you.
No. Hey, wait, man! That wasn't fucking fair.
I don't know, Kenny. Leave me alone. What, did he add you as a friend or something, Kenny? I don't know who's... Oh, I think that's supposed to be Leon.
Oh, God's sake. Oh, I think we should really fuck up Tim so he'd change the class because I'm bored playing again.
Oh, that's
the same
Austin,
skin over
Kenny.
and over.
That's Austin. Ah, who's throwing rocks? Oh no.
Guys, can you come closer to the window? I really can't hit ya. Come here. Come here. Come to daddy. Okay.
What? How?
Yeah. Whatever. Hey.
Why aren't my attacks connecting?
Because I'm blocked. Wait, it's the first time I actually see my armor. It's beautiful. It's zebra. Where are you guys?
Speaking Russian?
Zebra.
Oh.
Yeah, zebra. Zebra.
Dude,
Oh! I am constantly trying to use the mountain blade controls.
Tim is so good even though he has no idea what he's doing.
He's pressing the left mouse button. That's enough. And he's teleporting on my end. Oh, can you sing a bit more? I don't hear you. Well. Where are you guys? Oh. Okay, the next map.